What's up guys, Rob from TrollingMotorParts.com, and today we're going to be looking at the top 5 most common problems we see with the Minn Kota Ultrex. And now for the top 5 issues. These are in no specific order. If you guys are having any of these problems, make sure to look in the description below for our parts along with our videos for replacing them. Starting off the list, we have the Ultrex on-off power switch. The power switch is located on the top side of the foot pedal and turns the power on and off to the motor. We see a lot of these go bad and also see a lot of these working intermittently from not making good contact. It's a quick and easy fix, so keeping a spare one of these in your boat wouldn't be a bad idea for on-the-water repairs. And number 2 on the list, the steering sensor board. The steering sensor board is located on the inside of the foot pedal and is one of the 4 main parts that control the steering on your motor. If your steering is not responding, or if the responsiveness of the steering is off, this could be the problem. And number 3 on the list, the steering cables. Although the Ultrex is an electric steer motor, it does still have steering cables. The steering cables run from the foot pedal up to the steering motor and control the tension on your foot pedal. We see a lot of these break from impact or from trying to force your motor to turn when it is hung up on something. And number 4 on the list, the rear pivot kit. The rear pivot kit is located on the back side of your bracket and connects to the base extrusion. Its purpose is to hold the outer and middle arm in place and allow them to pivot when stowing and deploying the motor. When the outer arm of your bracket starts getting sloppy or noisy, this could be the problem. And number 5 on the list, the latch bar. The latch bar is located on the front of the bracket. It connects to the latch pole bracket and its purpose is to lock the motor in place when it is in the deployed position. We see a lot of these break from impact and also just normal wear and tear. It's a quick and easy fix, so keeping a spare one of these in your boat also wouldn't be a bad idea for on-the-water repairs. So that covers it for the Minn Kota Ultrex top 5 issues. If you guys need to pick any of these parts up, or if you guys need any repair videos on them, the links will be in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.